I don't own this dog. It's just hopped in my car. It's just had my car detailed.
Parents take you away from your favorite people without your permission.
It's ready for the winter.
With that look, the dog said everything it thinks about its owner.
Right. Oh my God.
What the heck?
When your dog believes every entrance deserves a bit of drama.
Get him out of there! Throw him! Go. No!
PSA not to leave anything your dog can remotely. You scared me.
Even in a life-threatening situation, his priorities never changed.
Yeah, that's where we're at right now. Just hold on.
Can I open the door? Jack! Jack, relax, man. It's all good, man. Hey.
Copper, what the hell are you doing? Copper. What are you doing? Where did you get that? Yeah, I see that. Where did you get that?
A hound who thinks everything in the world belongs to him.
This is not okay.
This dog decided your brand new shelf needed a full safety inspection today.
Diggy, diggy, diggy. Graham, diggy, diggy, diggy.
Is this the most efficient digging machine you've ever seen?
Diggy, diggy, diggy.
Hey, did you eat the cookies? Did you? So you did? Okay.
Good boy, Bucky. You're so big and strong. Oh, Bucky, so strong.
Happy birthday to you.
Meet the neighborhood fashion officer. He's already identified today's suspect.
Is he frosting your food?
Well, this slow feeding idea is actually genius.
Oh!
You're dramatic.
Go hurry.
Ew.
Don't get it wrong. He's the one picking things up around here.
No, get the one on the trunk. Oh, okay, or rebound off the trunk to get the one in the air. Sure. Come here.
If anyone needs tree trimming, this little guy is more than happy to help.
Rick, we haven't had that one before. Normal day with Talon.
And my head hit the wall. Boom. But I had a praying grand.
Is a wad of money. Milo.
Where did you get?
Oh!
Girl.
Well, somebody's brakes clearly took their job very seriously.
Yeah, Tahoe?
What do you think?
Be free!
Is that chewing sound actually a snack recommendation?
Are you gonna be nice?
It is so painful. Even I want to it.
When you know you only have one shot and you grab it fast.
Oh my god.
I think he wants a cheeseburger. You were.
No golden retriever here, just a goldfish.
Let me in the house. Let me in the house. Let me in the house. Cody, get up.
This is it. This is the adventure I was promised.
is that? Right there. Who is that? Who is it? Who is that? Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Shake.
It seems like she's already imagining what life would be like with a new companion around.
I didn't see where she was at, and she came out of nowhere and took the chicken outside. Fine. That was cool.
Tidiness is definitely not on his list of favorites.
You are not stopped. You are not stopped. You did that. I'm gonna say you did that. Bye. See you later. See you right there. Got
Te vamos a bañar. No, no me contestes. No, te vamos a bañar. No, vámonos.
Even with 100 reasons, bath time is still a hard no from the dog.
What is this? Is this your food? You get more hot dog food? Do you want some?
A natural on the track, he's the star of every race.
Do you want some? Stop beating up your brother.
She hasn't been here for a while.
She's a good girl.
Stop.
Mom, be honest, nobody can keep eating this day after day forever.
Hi, Virgil.
A guard dog, they say. Big dogs are super smart, they say.
He knows how to keep himself busy. Such a smart dog.
This one's fighting with a shadow. And I think his shadow's winning.
Lindsay, do you have any tricks up your sleeve? Oh my god.
Me after socializing for 10 minutes and giving 97% of my available energy away.
出来呀！出来出来，出来！
来，钻出来，你钻。哎呀，钻。
I love peaceful mornings like this.
Betty, that's your foot.
Sometimes the rain isn't coming from the sky, it's coming from an empty stomach. One came in with superhero energy, while the other came in preparing emotionally for disaster. If a regular alarm doesn't work, this aggressive alarm might just do the trick.
What?
One thing they don't tell you about owning a German Shepherd is that they are very good at throwing things with their mouth.
Earlier today, I made some biscuits and I covered them up with a tea towel to cool down on the stove. I ate 0 biscuits. Did you eat these biscuits?
In a fight, it's not the size of the dog that matters, it's the size of the fight in the dog.
Wow, it's dandelion. Oh. Wow, that's dandelion. Deadly. Oh my gosh. Wow. Grass.
Oh manches, corrí bien fuerte. Sí. ¿Se dieron cuenta que pasé? Sí. No, man, casi no. Ni cuenta.
Oh no, don't let him find out where the nearest bank is.
Go eat your food. No, go. Go eat your food. Get down.
He's just explaining why sharing should become your habit. Let me introduce the newest member of the Interior Design Critics Association.
Oh gosh. You okay?
Went in her ass.
Oh no.
No! Wait.
Go team, go sports.
All right. Can you just explain what's going on here?
I thank you, I have no idea.
Give that back to your dad right now. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so scared.
Put your hand in mine. You know that I won't stop until I.
Oh, he was just hyping you up. Jack Russells don't follow your plan, but the results always exceed expectations.
Excuse me. Hey.
This one, the other two are so good.
Inside every little dog beats the heart of a lion.
เขายังไม่ทันโยนมาเลยอ้วน หันไปดูก่อน หันไปดูก่อน นั่นน่ะมันก็อยู่ในมือ
The reason you need to be physically strong when owning a big dog.
Oh my god.
You don't love me. Oh, okay, you love me. You love me.
Say I know you love me.
I know you love me. I know you love me.
No, Bronco. No, mira. Ve. Me. No. No. No, Bronco. Muriel. Bronco. No. No.
That energy could probably power the whole house.
맛있는 거 주고 갈까? 손!
Zeus. Zeus. Zeus.
Turns out, even the best actors can't stay in character once they hear their favorite food.
What's this? Sausage. You were called for that one, yeah?
You're so cute. Can I sing you a song?
What?
I can't lie to myself. You're hurting my feelings, girl.
Hi, sweetie. Hi, sweetie. She's a good girl. Yeah, she's a good girl.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
was in the Bojangles.
Happy đi em à? Vừa phim.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
He saw the opportunity and he went for it.
Jack.
A new hide-and-seek tactic. If I don't see him, he won't see me either.
Hey, you seen it?
Jack, where are you?
Excuse me, Brown. You're excused.
No, you're not. You're not. Right, let's go show them you get downstairs.
Huh?
What's your name for? Right, come on. Let's go.
Thanks for watching our video all the way through. We hope it brought you some relaxation and joy. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and subscribe to our channel so you'll be notified whenever we post something new. See you in the next one.